Hi guys, welcome to Venki's GK Bank. This is an excellent platform for preparation of IAS, IPS and other civil services exams. So without any further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. In which country was the matchbox invented? A. Japan, B. England, C. China, D. USA. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. England. Question number 2. Which camel fair is famous for doing business on a yearly basis? A. Sonpur Fair, B. Surajkund Fair, C. Pushkar Fair, D. Kumbh Fair. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Pushkar Fair. Question number 3. Which is the biggest city in India? A. New Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. Chennai, D. Chandigarh. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Mumbai. Question number 4. Identify the fish which is known as the world's most clever fish. A. Shark, B. Whale, C. Flying fish, D. Dolphin. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. Dolphin. Question number 5. In India, which region doesn't have a proper railway network? A. Varanasi, B. Raipur, C. Bhatinda, D. Meghalaya. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. Meghalaya. Question number 6. Which country has the highest consumption of matchboxes? A. Sweden, B. India, C. Australia, D. Denmark. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. India. Question number 7. When was the Indian national anthem first sung? A. 1910, B. 1911, C. 1915, D. 1920. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. 1911. Question number 8. Which country is the largest producer of coal? A. China, B. Pakistan, C. USA, D. Norway. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. China. Question number 9. In India, where is the elephant festival celebrated? A. Chandigarh, B. Jodhpur, C. Bhopal, D. Jhansi. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Jodhpur. Question number 10. Which is the biggest planet in the solar system? A. Jupiter, B. Earth, C. Venus, D. Saturn. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. Jupiter. Question number 11. Kuchipudi is the famous dance of which state? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Tamil Nadu. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Andhra Pradesh. Question number 12. Which country was the first to invent paper currency in the world? A. USA, B. France, C. Russia, D. China. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. China. Question number 13. Where did the Britishers open their first factory in India before the independence? A. Kerala, B. Mumbai, C. Surat, D. Kolkata. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Surat. Question number 14. Which city in India is famous for grapes plantation? A. Ranchi, B. Bhopal, C. Nasik, D. Dhanbad. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Nasik. Question number 15. In which country do we see fish rains? A. France, B. Germany, C. Netherlands, D. Honduras. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. Honduras. Hope you got some insights on how to prepare for IAS, IPS, and other civil services exams. For more such content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Venki's GK Bank. You can also subscribe to our Telegram channel, link in the description box. Thank you.